I'm Matt McCain, and this is Carrie Underwood, and we're building the Monroe 2P.
The best part about Shaw Homes, I would say, is walking through the different styles of homes and getting to see the different models.
What set Shaw Homes apart from the other builders that we had looked at was that after going through all the model homes, we finally had found one that was perfect for our family's needs and layout. If I knew someone who was thinking about building, I'd tell them to do their homework and visit all the models, walk through, look at different builders, get an idea of what you're looking for, keep an open mind, and get an idea of all the selections and everything that you're wanting before you actually start the process and try to sit down in a design studio without an idea of what you're wanting to accomplish.